We're coming to you live from the NRF, the biggest retail show globally. I've been spending some time with Lenovo, particularly their SVP and GM, Patricia Wilkie. They've been very gracious and hosted me through their booth as we look at what they're doing around smart retail. Lots of use cases, being able to partner, and really the key takeaway is obviously when we think of Lenovo and what they're doing with regard to smart servers, being able to provide edge solutions, inferencing. We saw this inferencing solutions that they launched at CES last week, their server range designed for inferencing. One of those is in a particularly small form factor. So obviously we think about them from an infrastructure point of view. What came away from my time on the booth today is what the company's doing with its services business. I spent some time also with Linda Yao last week at the Consumer Electronics Show. This is SSG. Lenovo's got 3 different business units, and the services business is where they bring these solutions together for retailers, bringing together not only their own infrastructure, but bringing together partners, being able to integrate that from an AI perspective, bring that LLM layer, be able to pull the software stack together. Fantastic use cases. Spend some time with the team here looking at what they're doing with NVIDIA, for instance. Being able to pull that together and have that manifest for their retail clients as a solution, not a box of bits. And I think one thing for me that Lenovo doesn't get credit for is that solution system integration work that it does. So I think if you're thinking about not only infrastructure providers and device providers, but being able to think about how you pull that together, bring in software stacks. We talked about 20 different pre-canned reference architectures and deployment patterns that the company's done for retail software providers and partners. So I think for me, pulling all that together to have that deliver in store and online for retailers is the key thing that I've taken away from spending time with Lenovo. I think going back to the key theme that I'm going to be seeing, I think throughout 2026, we're going from AI being what I think and write to what I see and do. And that's manifesting itself in retail here at NRF with Lenovo. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Speak to you soon.